Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl SurelyDestiny and I am back with another video. So today we will be doing a makeup tutorial as well as a palette review. What palette, you asked? Today we will be reviewing the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette. Now this one I was very excited to buy and I was very excited to get because I've always heard great reviews about this palette, and on top of that I am a stickler for vibrant, bright palettes. So again, this is what the outside looks like, and this is the inside. So 9-pot palette, very vibrant colors. I'm just gonna do some swatches for you guys. So I'm gonna start from the brown all the way down to the metallic pink. Alright guys, so I got my swatches done for you. I have them here on my arm. So starting off with the very top row of the palette, the top row is all matte shades. So we have this brown shade here, which has a little bit of an orangey reddish tinge to it. And then we have this yellow and this orange. Both of these colors swatched really well. The only thing I will say is that the yellow does not show up as bright as it does in the palette. Moving on to the second row, we have one matte shade and then two glitters. So starting off with this teal is super vibrant. It's swatched really well, as well as the green and the teal in glitter. The glitters are kind of metallic-y. I'm not sure if you can really tell on the camera here. Moving on to the pink, this is a really pretty soft subtle pink, and then we have these two dark matte shades here, this pink and this purple. This one is more of a magenta kind of pink, I want to say, and the purple is just a very dark true to tone, like dark purple. Super pretty, and again all these swatched really well. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, be sure to keep watching. I just wanted to say, if you guys like these type of videos, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And now let's get straight into the tutorial. Starting with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, I am just applying that on my face now, and then I will be using my Stila flat brush to blend it out. With my Hard Candy Sheer Envy Stick It to Pores primer, I am putting that all over my T-zone where my pores are the biggest, and then I am taking that same flat brush and blending it out. Taking my Maybelline Master Camo Orange Color Corrector and my Sigma E71 diffuser blending brush, I will be applying that to my dark spots. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera. Taking my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, I'm just gonna go ahead and place that all over the lid. Taking my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Almond, I'll be using that as a base on my lid. I'll just be blending that out with the same diffuser brush that I used to blend out my color correction. To set my eyes, I will be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. right into the eyeshadow palette, I'll be taking that matte pink shade and a fluffy blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'll be blending that into my upper crease. Okay, so now I'm taking my Morphe 330 blending brush, my favorite crease blending brush, and I'm taking that with my purple shade in the palette and blending that into my crease. Grabbing my Morphe 213 brush and my concealer in the shade Almond, I will begin to cut my crease. Taking a flat brush from BH Cosmetics as well as the pink metallic shade, I will be putting that all over my lid. So I didn't like the way that the pink was looking on my lid, so I took another flat brush and that green metallic shade and I placed it right in the middle of my lid. I also made sure to spray the brush with setting spray so that the color would pop a little bit more. After placing the green on my lid, I went right back over it with the pink. So as you can see, putting the green underneath the pink gave it that extra shimmer that I was looking for. Taking my Morphe M55 brush and that purple shade again, I'm just going to do a little bit of detailing in the crease. Alright, so now that my first eye is done, I'm just going to go ahead and do my second eye off camera. So as you can see, this is how my eyes are looking like right now. We're just going to leave it at this place and move on to the face. Taking my L'Oreal concealer, this time in the shade Honey, I'm just going to start highlighting my face. So this is going to go underneath my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. Gonna let my concealer get a little bit tacky, so I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty matchsticks in the shade Truffle and then just start contouring my face. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender and blending out my concealer. Now I'm taking my L'Oreal concealer in the shade Almond again, and I'm just putting this in the upper corner of my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead, just to highlight these areas a little more. Letting that concealer get tacky, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my contour, and then when I'm done my contour, I will blend out the concealer. Taking my Lancôme foundation, I'm just going to go ahead and put that in the spots where I did not put any contour or concealer. Now that everything is all nice and blended out, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the shade Honey, and I'm just going to set my concealer. Once again, I do not bake my face, I just lightly set, because whenever I bake, it begins to look really cakey and my makeup starts to move around a lot when I have to wipe it off. Taking this Sephora brush as well as my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty, I'm going to begin bronzing up my face everywhere that I put my contour. Next step is to take my Makeup Forever Velvet Skin Powder in the shade Y445, and I'm going to put that over my setting powder, and this is just extra protection as well. It makes my skin look super smooth. I'm going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild ColorIcon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, as well as my Morphe M27 brush, and I'm just going to put that on my cheeks. Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter as well as my Real Techniques brush. I'm sorry guys, I have no idea which brush this is, but it is just like a rounded brush. I'm going to use that to put on my highlighter. Alright guys, moving back into the eyes, I'm going to take this flat brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills and that turquoise shade in the palette, and I'm going to put that on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take that green metallic shade and I'm going to put that in the middle of my lower lash line just to add a little bit more color. After that, I'm going to take the turquoise metallic shade as well as my Bedelium Tools precision brush, and I'm just going to put that into my inner corner. Back to the face for a quick second, I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and set my face. I don't know about you guys, but I am very, very heavy handed with my setting spray. The eyes, I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and putting that on my lashes. For my lashes today, I will be taking these Opulence Lashes and using my Duo Glue, the clear one, to put it on. Moving on to the lips, to line them I will be using my MAC Cosmetics Chestnut Lip Liner. For my lipstick, I will be using the Huda Beauty Matte Lipstick in the shade Board Meeting. Little shine to the lips, I will be using my Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss in the shade Fussy. And voila, we are done. Hey guys, so this right here is the finished look. I really enjoyed this look, and as for the palette, I want to say that I really love this palette so much. I highly recommend getting it, especially if you love colors and you're new to playing with colors. I think because the colors are so pigmented and they blend so nicely, it'll be really good for somebody starting out playing in colors. So yeah, thank you guys again for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.